Okay. Okay. Hi, welcome everybody. Myself Dr. Brajesh Singh, still professor, Dept.Of Zoology SNSRKS College, saharsa. Today I will teach you the topic of lysosome. This is the syllabus of BSc Part 1 Zoology subsidiary. Now, count the point. Lysosome. Lysosomes, ग्रीक वर्ड लाइसो प्लस सोमा से मिलकर बना है. टू ग्रीक वर्ड लाइसो एंड सोमा. लाइसो मीन्स हो गया डाइजेशन, और डाइसोल्यूशन डाइजेशन मीन्स पाचन होता है, डाइसोल्यूशन मीन्स डाइसोल्व घुलनशील, और सोमा मीन्स बॉडी. Every eukaryotic cell has a group of cytoplasmic organelles. The lysosome of which the main function is intracellular or extracellular digestion. They may be distinguished from other organelles by their morphology and important functions like digestion of food material, solid and liquid, taken by phagocytosis and phagocytosis. Digestion of part of cell, autophagy, and breakdown of extracellular material by the release of enzymes in the surrounding medium. Latency of lysosomal enzyme first observed in liver cell as periconalicular dense bodies in 1949. These were also termed as suicidal bags by Dept. In 1959. Their morphological and cytological studies were conducted by Alex Nivikov et al. In 1964. Distribution found in most animal cell and few plant cell, also absent in bacteria and mature mammalian RBCs. Leukocytes, WBC, granulocytes are rich sources of lysosome. It occurs in abundance in epithelial cells of lung and uterine. AC methyl 1969 lysosome in plant cells are also membrane bound. Slime moins possesses lysosome. The ultrastructure of lysosome difficult to study even under electron microscope because they negatively no characteristic shape or structure. Study positive through and dense a granular structure found as spheres of lipoprotein membrane. That is, these are saculate structure feels at digestive. Each lysosome has two parts. Number one, limiting part, and number two, inner dense mass. Number one, limiting membrane. Number two, inner dense mass. Now, the limiting membrane. Unlike many other double membrane cells organelles, it is a single membrane compound if lipoprotein, a Boliard structure like any unit membrane resistant to enzymes that is enclosed. Literacy of lysosomal is due to presence of the limiting membrane, impermeable to substances of represent in the lysosome, contains substances that is labilizer can instability of its membrane and cause release of ES from the lysosome. Important features are vitamin A, B, E and K, progesterone, testosterone, beta extro, ubiquinate, digestion, Collins objective. Some other substances known as stabilizants represent on acid compartment the cell intralysosomal pH, that is 5. Lysosomes are so called because they contain lytic or destructive stored in the cytosine or semi-crystalline form. As ES are acidic in nature, presence of limiting membrane around the inner cell mass protect the cell from autolysis, self-destruction. ES present the lysosomes can be grouped in the groups, that is nucleus, acid ribonucleus, B, acid deoxyribonucleus, phosphatase, acid phosphatase, acid phosphodiesterase, lipase, esterase, phospholipids, glycosides, beta glycosides and alpha menosides and alpha glucosides or sulfates. This is the diagram. This is the limiting membrane and this particle is inner dense mass. This is the lysosome as an acid compartment. This is the figure of lysosome as acid compartment. The ultra structure of lysosome is these are vacuoles. And these are inner cell mass. and this is the limiting membrane. This is the figure of ultra structure of lysosome. Now, vacuoles observed due to pinocytosis or phagocytosis may become secondary lysosomes after fusing, that is the primary lysosome. Origin from Golgi bodies. Produced from Golgi bodies at the height of their secretory activity. Origin from electric reticulum. A.V. Knopf 1965. Rough ER gives rise to lysosome. Polymorphism in lysosome. It is the most remarkable logical character of lysosome. Polymorphism in lysosome suggests that these are externally test. Current interpretation is the result of association primary lysosomes that is different, that are phagocytized by cells. At present, 4 types of lysosomes are recognized as this chapter. Number 1, storage lysosomes. Storage lysosomes. Number 2, heterolysosomes. Number 3, autophagosomes. Number 4, residual bodies. These are the 4 types of lysosomes. Of these, storage lysosomes are known as primary lysosomes. Other 3 are grouped together as secondary lysosomes. Number 1, this is called primary lysosomes. And these 3 are called secondary lysosomes. Now, number 1, storage lysosomes. Storage lysosome, also known as proto-lysosomes, virgin lysosomes, newly formed lysosomes, certain ES synthesized by ribosomes affected to electric reticulum. These are dense granules, particles of 0.4 mu surrounded by a single membrane. Then next, heterolysosomes. Heterolysosome, also known as heterophagosomes, phagolysosomes, metrophase vacuoles. When phago or pinosomes fuse, that is lysosome, heterophagosomes are formed, is digested by hydrolytic ES. Now next, autophagosomes. Autophagosomes, also known as autophagic vacuole or cytolysosomes or autolysosomes or autophagosomes, Now, I want to come on the point function of lysosomes. Function of lysosomes. Important functions of lysosomes are as like digestion of intracellular substances. Major function during cervetions, digest intracellular contents like protein, carbohydrate, lipids, etc. Cytoplasm by their hydrolytic yes. Digestion of extracellular substances. Major function in general lysosomes are hydrolysis of lysosomes, digested food, contents of phage or pinosomes. Lysosomes of leukocytes WBCS enables WBCS to engulf the foreign proteins, bacteria, viruses, etc. Formation of penetration path in ovum. During fertilization, lysosomes of sperms discharge enzymes, proteins, both of the entry of sperm, acrosome of sperm, each a special lysosome. Destruction of dead cells. Koch 1964 the help in destroying the dead cell from the tissue. Autolysis. In pathological conditions, the organelles of cell leading of death of cells, lysosomes, membranes of lysosomes of dead cells, rupture, lateral hydrolysis, digested deads. These processes is known as autolytic. When primary lysosomes are able to digest pore of cellular structure including mitochondria, ribosomes, etc. These are known as autophagosomes. This type of digestion is also known as self-destruction, autolytosis. Residual body, also known as telolysosomes, dense bodies, contains undigested food granules, elemental by exolytosis or defection. Now, showing polymorphism in lysosomes 1 and 2. This is the diagram, polymorphism in lysosomes. These are the showing polymorphism in lysosome. The figure showing polymorphism in lysosomes. This is phagocyte. This is phagocyte. This is heparin. This is the part. This figure is showing the polymorphism in lysosome. Now the chapter is the end. Thank you everybody to see my lecture. Okay, welcome.